Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a simple restorative meditation and we'll get right into it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and let's begin. I'm going to sit comfortably with good posture, and I like to just roll my shoulders back to help me to relax. Maybe move my neck from side to side a little. And I'm going to use Jhana Mudra, placing that just on my thighs. And let's go ahead and close our eyes. Just as a little tip, if you lower your chin a tiny little bit, you'll notice it elongates your spine to give you better posture, which in turn will help you to focus. And so, sitting comfortably with our eyes closed, let's take a deep breath in through the nose to a count of 4. And then pause for 4. And breathe out through your mouth for 4. Again, pause for 4. And repeat. And all we are doing is calmly observing the breath moving through the body, and we're doing box breathing in those cycles of 4, which studies show helps us to relax and to focus. Just enjoying the simple experience of observing the breath moving through the body. Now, one little tip. If you struggle to focus with your eyes completely closed, you may open them a tiny little bit. This is traditionally what is done in Zazen meditation, and some people find it easier to focus that way. So try each way, eyes fully closed or slightly open, and see which one works better for you. And we're just continuing to observe the breath moving through the body in those cycles of 4. Now, at the beginning of our meditation session, it's good for us to check in with ourselves. Take a moment to just gently observe your current state of mind and body. And we're observing with the quality of acceptance and acknowledgement. Whatever is currently occurring in the mind and in the body, we're simply observing that and acknowledging it with calmness and acceptance. Now just continuing to observe the breath. If you are new to meditation, you might find it helpful to place the palm of one of your hands on your abdomen. This way you can feel the expansion of your breath on your in-breath, the expansion of your diaphragm on your in-breath, and the contraction on the out-breath, and this will help you to focus on breathing. Now we're going to remind ourselves that regardless of what we've been doing before and regardless of what is going on, for the next short little while, the only thing that we will be doing is breathing and meditating. And for this short little time, that is all that matters. Just continuing to observe the breath moving through the body. Another little tip is to describe the way your breath feels. For instance, right now my breath feels smooth, flowing freely, a warm energy circulating my body. It is quite natural for the mind to wander from time to time. Perhaps the mind is drawn to a sound in the background, or perhaps it is drawn to a sensation in the body. This is completely normal. When the mind wanders, all we shall do is note that the mind is wandering and then gently guide the mind back to the breath. And when we guide the mind, we do it as though we were a gentle old friend, as though we were saying to the mind, "You have lost your way. Here, let me guide you back home, back to the breath." As we continue to enjoy the experience of observing the breath flowing freely through the body, we begin to notice the blossoming of a sensation of inner peace. Notice that within you there is a feeling of ease that is beginning to blossom like a flower in the sun. Allow yourself to observe that sensation of inner peace, just observing that flower of calmness being cultivated in your center. This flower of peace will restore your mind and your body simply by observing it. Do you see? Do you see that quality of peacefulness that is beginning to permeate your body and mind? It is a feeling of ease that is etching its way through the fabric of your being, etching its way outwards. And this energy of effortless ease expands. It expands into the world around you until you are floating in a flow of freedom, in the feeling of peacefulness. Allow yourself to let go and float freely here in this energy of effortless ease. This inner energy of effortless ease will restore your spirit and mind as you float within it. I invite you to stay here as long as you wish. You have earned this experience, and you deserve to enjoy this feeling of peacefulness. Feel free to pause this video and to continue to experience that effortless energy of ease. Or join me now as we slowly open our eyes to a count of 5. 1, our eyes opening just a tiny little bit. 2, we are still experiencing ease. And 3, 4, and 5, and we are back. I hope you've enjoyed that short meditation for restoring your spirits. I would appreciate it if you leave me a comment to let me know how you found this experience. And of course, if you decide to like and to subscribe, then I would appreciate that ever so much. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.